Imagine creating a virtual Instagram influencer who's always on trend, always available, and never asks for a raise. Now, what if I told you that with the power of AI, you can not only bring this influencer to life, but also turn them into a money-making machine? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build your own virtual Instagram star, and trust me, you'll want to see how this can skyrocket your brand to the next level. Let's dive in. To create our very own virtual influencer today, I will use an amazing AI tool called Apob AI. With this tool, you can create unlimited consistent character images, turn them into video clips, and even make your influencer talk. I will put the link in the description. So, head over there and create an account on Apob AI. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. These are my previously created models, and if you scroll down, you will find all the models created with Apob AI. And here is some content generated by Apob AI. Okay, now let's create a new influencer with Apob. Come to the top of the page and click on the Create Portrait Model button from here. On the next page, you will find two options: Upload Influencer Image and Create a New Influencer Model. If you already have a model and want to enhance and create content with that model, then use the first option. Although I already have a model, I will go with the second option to test its capability. This is the AI Influencer Generator interface. We have to enter the character details of the model here. You can enter a random value by clicking on the random button. I suggest going with it manually. First, set the gender. I will go with female. Next, set the age of the model. 20 to 30 years is perfect for our model. Next, we have to select the origin country. This time, I will select American. You can add multiple countries. For the second one, I will go with Spanish. Next, set the eye color, then hairstyle, hair color, and after that, the face shape. In the end, you will find some additional options like dimple, beard, and suntan. As I am creating a female model, we don't need the beard, and I won't want any suntan on my model's face, but a dimple should be here. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now it will take some time to generate the model images. Let's fast forward the video. And here they are. Apob generates 4 images for us. Review all of them. Now if you are not satisfied, you can regenerate the images. Once you find the best image, select it, and then click on Set this image as the reference image from here. Alright, our reference image is set. Now we have to add some additional data about our model. First, enter the model name. For example, I am entering Erica Rata. Next, add some details about your model. For example, I am typing a 25-year-old beautiful American lady with blonde hair. Once everything is set, hit the Create Your Image Model button from here. It will take some time to train our model. Let's fast forward this part. Alright, our model is ready. Now you can generate content with this model. Here you will find various options to create content with Apob AI. First of all, build your own. Here you will find various prompt templates to create content. For example, I want to generate beach view images with our model. So first, we have to set the art style. I am selecting realistic. Next, set the environment. I am selecting a beach. The next option is about the age of the model. After that, the appearance of the model. Let's select a swimming dress. Next, you can add time and environment to make the scene more accurate. I am selecting sunset. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the images. And they are ready. You can see the result. It keeps the same face as our model, but generates the outfit and environment as per our request. So, you can now create unlimited images of any model. And you don't even need proper knowledge of the prompt. You can generate images in even easier steps than this. Here in this Complete Set tab, you will find various templates to generate the image. Just choose one of them and hit the Generate button. And here it is, new images are ready. And you can see the results. They are just amazing. So now, consistent character image generation becomes easier than ever with Apob AI. Not only that, you can make videos with Apob AI, make her talk, and much more. Let's see how we can make our AI model talk. Simply come to the talking avatar page from here. Now, we have to add an image. You can upload from your device or choose one you have generated. I am selecting this one. Now we have to upload the voiceover audio. I am generating audio with 11 labs.
Hi, this is Erica. What's going on? Hope you are enjoying my...
After generating or recording your voiceover clip, upload it on Apob AI. Once everything is done, hit the generate button. Now wait some time. And here it is, our talking video is ready. Let's have a look.
Hi, this is Erica. What's going on? Hope you are enjoying my content. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.
That's really amazing. I love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, now let's talk about another important feature called Face Swap. Yes, you can swap faces from images and videos with this AI tool. To swap the face of an image, click here. Now upload the targeted image. After uploading the image, hit the generate button. And this is the new version of the image with my model's face. That's impressive. Now if you want to create deepfake videos with your model's face, then simply come to this Video Face Swap tab. Like the image, upload the video. Once the process is completed, hit the generate button. And here it is, the deepfake video is ready. And you can see how seamlessly it swaps our model's face. Just incredible. Okay, now I will talk about the most interesting feature of Apob AI. You can actually create unique and original videos of your model with this image to video tool. Once you're on this page, you have to upload or select your previously generated image. I am going with my previously generated image. Come to the Personal tab from here and then choose the image you want to convert into a video. Once the image is set, hit the generate button. And here it is, Apob AI generates a 4-second long video and the quality of the video is superb. Now if you want to create a high-quality reel for your model, create at least 5 to 6 videos with different images and then download them to your device. Once it is done, assemble them with a video editor, add the music, and export the video to your device. And my video clip is ready. Let's have a look.
Alone in the dark, tears on my face, whispers of heartbreak, lost in this place. Memories haunt me, shadows won't part, every step heavy, breaking my heart. Why did you go, left me in pain? Lost in the cold.
How was this? Let me know in the comment section. In conclusion, Apob AI is an amazing tool to create and run a virtual influencer. You can try it for free. It will give you 80 free credits per day. But if you are serious about your business, then you should buy a premium plan. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Apob AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.